Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how to add the max number with same denominator and the max number with different denominator. So first of all, I will solve the question with the max number having the same denominator. So here we see that both of the denominator of these max number are same. So in step 1, we will convert the max number into improper fraction. So we will write 2 and 3 over 5 plus 1 and 4 over 5 is equal 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13. So we will write 13 over 5 plus 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4 is 9. So we'll write 9 over 5. In step 1, we converted the max number into improper fraction. Now, in step 2, we will add both of these improper fractions. So, 13 over 5 plus 9 over 5 is equal. Here we see that both of the improper fractions have the same denominator. So, we will take any one of the denominator, which is 5, and add the numerators, which are 13 plus 9. So write 13 plus 9, which is equal to 22 over 5. So the process of step 2 also completed because we add the improper fraction 13 over 5 plus 9 over 5, which is equal to 22 over 5. Now we will take the step 3. Here we will convert this improper fraction into again a max number. So we will convert 22 over 5 into the max number. So to convert this 22 over 5 into a max number, we will divide 22 by 5. So we will multiply 5 with such a number whose product is equal to 22 or less than 22. So 5 times 4 is 20. So and subtract 20 from 22. So the remainder is 2. Now to convert this 22 over 5 into a max number, we got this form. Now here we see that we will divide 2 by 5 and add this division with 4, right? So the answer will be 2 over 5 plus 4. So we got this answer 22 over 5 is equal 2 over 5 plus 4. But we know that 2 over 5 plus 4 is commutative, so we will write as 22 over 5 is equal 4 plus 2 over 5. Now we see that 4 plus 2 over 5 is equal to 4 and 2 over 5. So 22 over 5 is equal to 4 and 2 over 5. But here we see that this is the improper fraction form and this is the max number form. And we have added the max number 2 and 3 over 5 plus 1 and 4 over 5. So we will write 4 and 2 over 5 is 2 and 3 over 5 plus 1 and 4 over 5 is equal to 4 and 2 over 5. So that is the final answer, that we added 2 and 3 over 5 plus 1 and 4 over 5 is equal 4 and 2 over 5. So it was the addition of max number with the same denominator. Now here we will add the max number with different denominator. Here we see that in this max number the denominator is 4 and in this max number the denominator is 5. So in step 1, again we will take steps. In step 1, we will convert this max number into improper fraction. So 5 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13 over 5 plus 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13 over 5, right? Now here we see that in step 2, we will take step 2. Here we see that both of the fraction have a different denominator. So we will take the LCM or least common denominator of both of these fractions, which is equal to 20. So we will divide 20 by 4, which is equal to 5, and multiply 5 by 13. So 5 multiplied by 13 plus, again we will divide 20 by 5, which is equal to 4, and multiply 4 with 13, which is equal to 4 multiplied by 13. So here we see that 5 times 13 is 65 plus 4 times 13 is 52 divided by 20. Now we will add both of these numbers. So 2 plus 5 is 7 and 5 plus 6 is 11 over 20. So we add both of these improper fraction, which is equal to 117 over 20. Now we will convert this improper fraction into max number. So in step 2 and step 3, we will convert this improper fraction into max number. So we will divide 117 by 20. So 20 times 5 is 100. So 100. So subtract the 100 from 117, the remainder is 17. So we will divide 17 by 20 and add with 5. So here we see that 117 by 20 is equal to 17 over 20 plus 5, which is again equal to 117 over 20 is equal to 5 and 17 over 20. So we converted this improper fraction 117 divided by 20 into 5 and 17 over 20. So this was the step 3, that we converted the improper fraction 117 over 20 into 5 and 17 over 20. Now we will write 5 and 17 over 20 in the form of the addition of the max number that we add up. So we will write as 3 and 1 over 4 plus 2 and 3 over 5 is equal 5 and 17 over 20. So that is the final answer, that we add the max number by different denominator, 3 and 1 over 4 plus 2 and 3 over 5, which is equal to 5 and 17 over 20. In this example, we are adding the max number by 3 terms having different denominators. Here we see that the denominator is 6, here the denominator is 3, and here the denominator is 4. So in step 1, we will convert this max number into improper fraction. So in step 1, we will convert this max number into improper fraction. So 2 and 5 over 6 plus 5 and 2 over 3 plus 4 and 3 over 4 is equal 6 times 2 is 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. Write 17 over 6 because we write the denominator as same, plus 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. Write 17 over 3 plus 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3 is 19. So 19 over 4. In step 1, we converted the max number into improper fraction. In step 2, we will add up these improper fraction. To add this improper fraction, we have to take the LCM of the denominator, or simply take the least common denominator of the 3 fractions. So here we see that the least common denominator is 12. So divide this 12 by 6, which is equal to 2, and multiply 2 with 17. So 2 times 17 plus divide this 12 with 3, which is equal to 4, and multiply 4 with 17. So 4 times 17 plus, now divide this 12 by 4, which is equal to 3, and multiply 3 with 19. So 3 times 19 is equal to 2 times 17 is equal to 34 plus 4 times 17 is equal to 68. plus 3 times 19 is 57 divided by 12. Now we will add up this term and divide by 12. So here we see that 7 plus 8 is 15 plus 4 is 19. Write 9 and carry 1. So 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So it is equal to 159 over 12. So we add up these improper fraction whose answer is equal to 159 over 12. And step 3, we will convert this improper fraction into max number. So we will divide 159 by 12. So 159 divided by 12. We will multiply 12 with such a number whose multiplication is either equal to 159 or less than 159. So 12 times 1 is 12. Subtract 12 from 15. The remainder is 3 and take down the 9. So the remainder will be 39. We will now multiply 12 with such a number whose multiplication is either equal to 39 or less than 39. So multiply 12 with 3. So 3 times 12 is equal to 36. Subtract the 36 from 39. The remainder is 3. So here we say that we cannot divide 3 by 12 directly. So we will take 3 as remainder and we'll write 159 by 12 is 3 divide 3 by 12 and add by 13. So 3 divided by 12 plus 13. So here we see that addition as commutative, so we will write as 3 over 12 plus 13 is equal 13 plus 3 over 12. Now we can write 13 plus 3 over 12 is 13 plus 3 over 12 is equal 13 and 3 over 12. So we wrote 159 over 12 is 13 and 3 over 12. So we converted this improper fraction into max number. Since we converted this improper fraction 159 over 12 into the max number 13 and 3 over 12, so we will write the answer 13 and 3 over 12 as the addition of the original terms that we add up. So 2 and 5 over 6 plus 5 and 2 over 3 plus 4 and 3 over 4 is equal to 13 and 3 over 12. So that is the final answer, that we add up these max number with different denominator, and the answer is 13 and 3 over 12. So if there are any number of terms with different denominator or same denominator, you can add up with this method. So thank you for watching our videos.